welcome home. We're in to check out the new Test Track. It's fairly similar. So we're going single rider, so you won't really see the main entranceway.
Single riders to the left, you will be separated up ahead.
New ride vehicle there. So we didn't get to see out there, but that's okay. We'll see the rest of that later.
Inside the vehicle, and please, supervise children. Thank you. Por favor, permanezcan sentados con el cinturón de seguridad bien abrochado y mantengan sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo y cuiden a los pequeñitos. Welcome, riders. I'll be your guide on today's journey.
I am your test vehicle.
What are you doing?
Sounding futuristic.
Just be yourself. We've always been dreaming about the road to tomorrow.
And now we've set a course for the future.
Before we can visualize tomorrow, we have to start by looking at the world of today a little differently.
That's where I can help. Let me show you how I see the world.
By using advanced cameras and sensors, vehicles are constantly scanning the road ahead, helping to prepare us for any surprises.
Hey now!
Woo, nicely done!
Surprises, huh? I was built for this.
Tomorrow's roads will be built with technology too, like inductive charging to help keep you powered up.
Smart road activated. Power transfer complete.
Smart roads are just the beginning. Imagine being able to customize your vehicle at home.
Can I show them?
Go for it. First, select a new vehicle body.
What about this one?
Good choice. Now let's see how it looks.
Oh, let's try another. That looks good with the third row.
And here's one I think you'll really love.
Oh, I could get used to this.
Now how about we kick back and enjoy the ride?
Sure, it's always fun to be free.
Watch out!
I told you, I got this.
Right. Our road might have had some twists and turns, but the future is always just around the corner.
And together, we keep moving forward, finding new ways to drive to a brighter tomorrow.
Ready to see what else lies beyond the horizon?
Let's go!
test drive might be complete, but just ahead is the vehicle showcase, where you can explore the latest innovations from General Motors. Not to shift gears, but please remember to watch your step and take all of your personal belongings with you as you hit the road. You see what I did there?
I think you should just leave the jokes to me.
Maybe you're right. Thanks for joining us. See you in the future. So, you get all the jokes and all the driving?
Hey, if you want to take the wheel, be my guest.
There's no wheel on this car.
Exactly. You humans.
Don't make me turn this car around.
Try. I only move forward.
I thought it went green, but
Yeah, I think I got it. But I just didn't know what the food I missed like garden.
use that R1. Beautiful ZR1. Oops, sorry. Equinox EV. Yeah, the IQ. No, that's not an optic.
Yes, it is. Vistic. Sorry, Vistic.
Yes.
Well, same shit.
No, not optic, Vistic. But I love that green.
The,
Yeah, that's the 3-row.
so that's the two IQ.
Yes, this also has 3 rows.
And there's a red traverse here with red accents. You guys see it.
Yeah, over in the corner. Oh, there. Oh, I didn't even see that one.
Yeah.
I thought it was over in the corner. That might be a.
No, that's a Cadillac IQ. This is all the This is Buick. Most of it, like these two are the Cadillacs.
Yeah,
The Lyric is next to the Equinox.
yeah. I love the two-tone Equinox. I wonder if that's the one from The Detroit Auto Show.
So were the people already in town and wanted to stay tonight?
Apparently. It's kind of last minute.
That's, yeah.
But
Yeah.
hey, you know what? If it wasn't for the fact that we were, what?
She was thinking those little fishy like the right one.
I mean, for 14 days, it's not like 4 nights or something.
I like the color.
This is the V.
That's the V. Yeah, I like that color.
Yeah, you gotta see the inside of that Traverse.
This is, yeah.
I don't know about that.
An IQ. Yeah, it's kind of an orangey red. I like this.
Well, that's the Austin. You see one of those first.
Yep.